Hello everybody, James Donovan with you here again at Prime Cut ha-mool Casino. We're doing breakfast for dinner ha-mool boxes. In this video series we're going to be talking about one of the 7 deadly sins of the food group, the mysterious and alluring French toasted donut. We have wonderful donuts from Mary's Donut, we have a glazed donut, and we have a blueberry donut. Ideally they're day old, but you want to keep it fresh? Absolutely, you can give them to you fresh. So the first step is we have our French toast mix in this container. We're going to pour it in this bowl to mix our donuts with. Okay. So we have a cast iron skillet. You can use a regular fry pan. I prefer cast iron skillets because they hold heat very well, and I've had amazing success cooking almost anything in them. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to go ahead and use a cast iron skillet, which I have lit and put a little vegetable spray just to get it going and nice and lubricated. I'm going to go ahead and start by putting in some butter. We're just going to let this kind of melt down a little bit. Absolutely amazing. Go in there. Nice and turn up a little bit. They're really talking to us. Now we're going to take our donut mixture in our bowl. We're going to take our glazed donuts and we're going to lightly dip them in our butter. Oh, I wish you could hear that. I wish you were here. Nice sizzle. Absolutely delicious. It's nice and coated. Oh yeah. There we go. Now it's going to take about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side, depending on how high you have it. I recommend a medium heat, otherwise they're going to scorch and not get that whole cooking. So absolutely crucial to keep an eye on these things because they're pretty quick. Go ahead and scrape your hands off real quick here. Use some spatula, and I'll be kind of just monitoring these things after about 45 seconds or so, just to make sure that they're doing what they want us to do. Once again, ha-mool at home boxes, very great success story. Obviously, we've been closed due to the coronavirus pandemic, but we are going to be reopening again very, very soon, May 18th. We're so excited to have our guests back. We're equally excited to have our team members back. We've been battling this thing. The fight's not over with, but this is the right step in the right direction, so folks can come out and enjoy what we do here. We have a wide variety of games and restaurants, and I highly suggest you come out and meet us. We'll still be here for you if you can't at ha-mool at home boxes. Get them through the topic. Go ahead and check on that. Oh, yeah. This guy, we're gonna go ahead and move the butter around just to make sure that the butter is constantly bathing these wonderful donuts. We want full immersion, full excitement. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Look at the color on that. Look at that. That is amazing. Whoa. I'm gonna pat him down a bit. We got about 30 more seconds and we're done. Once again, we have a lot of add-on options with our ha-mool at home boxes. We have featuring today is our Vice Chairman's wine, featured ha-mool 23. It's a wonderful Syrah Cabernet blend. Please take advantage of our add-on offers. We also have other offers for you, beer, and some other things you can get, so please do take advantage of it. Very easy to pick up the box. Just place your order, drive up to the front of the casino, and a security guard or one of our food and beverage team members, maybe even myself, will bring it out to you and place it into your car while wearing gloves and masks. All right, these guys are done. So, plating time. I'm so excited, I can't wait. You're going to get a plate of your choice. It doesn't matter, whatever's your fancy. Just very simply put them out of the pan. Give them a little shake and a shimmy. Just like that. Look at that. Amazing. I wish you were here to smell it. Absolutely. Go ahead and get this guy, put it on here. We have, now the next step is we have some butter that we're going to go ahead and put on the top of it. As if it didn't need enough butter. Now, this is a very, very addictive recipe. recommend you only use it when you need it the most. Every day. Maple syrup on this guy, and then the piece de resistance, powdered sugar. Now I'm going to get fancy with you. We put in some extra food in here. And the purpose of it, you got to get visible with it. Visible. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put a nice little strawberry right here. Garnish this guy. I got some wonderful raspberries. I'm going to go ahead and garnish my meal. There you have it. French toasted donuts. Let's go ahead and take a bite. See how it is. Can't resist. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. There we go. Woo! Wow. You're really going to love this. Really going to love this. Once again, ha-mool at home, French toasted donuts. Up next, lobster omelet.